नमस्ते. Now 41 subsection 1 अभी भी हम वहीं हैं, कहीं इधर उधर गए नहीं, right? Continuing from where we left off, again, a police officer may arrest without order of magistrate, without warrant, arrest any person. That's the correct language. 41 subsection 1. Now we clause C. Previous video clause कौन सा था? Subsection 1 clause BA. Now we are in clause C. So if it's a proclaimed offender, जो हिंदी में जो हम कहते हैं भगोड़ा घोषित कर दिया गया है, it's either under this court, so the court will declare you a proclaimed offender कि जी आ ही नहीं रहे जी, ये present नहीं है. अगर तो अब इसके अंदर proclaimed offender है, cognizable, non cognizable सब नमस्ते हो गई. Proclaimed offender आप हैं, what can the police officer may then, without an order of magistrate and without warrant, arrest you if you are a proclaimed offender, either by the state government or under this code. Correct? Okay. Clause D. In whose possession anything is found which is reasonably suspected to be stolen property. कोई चोरी की हुई चीज है, हमें लग रहा है, जब मान लेते हैं आप एक बिल्कुल एक फटी जीन्स, फटे कपड़े, no, I'm not referring to the rich kids dressed in that. आजकल ज़्यादातर वो लोग भी ऐसे ड्रेस करते हैं, बट लेट अस से एक बिल्कुल ही गरीब सा आदमी एक iPhone 11 और PlayStation 5 लेके घूम रहा है, and let's say the police encounters him कि हाँ जी बेटा जी, where did you get this from? So in whose possession anything is found which is reasonably, now obviously it is a reasonable suspicion that we have now suspicion rather, that the police officer will suspect it to be stolen property, then the police officer may do what? May arrest you without a warrant and an order of the magistrate. Correct? That's how you read law, by the way. So you take this sentence, you put it here, you take this sentence, then you put it here, and once you start reading law like this, mind you, आप कुछ भी क्लियर कर सकते हैं कौन सा भी. Okay. Now, obstructs a police officer from executing his or her duty. Obviously, this is not one-to-one language from the Bare Act. I am only interested in right now just solidifying your concepts. Section you'll have to read. Okay? Or you are escaping from lawful custody. Then also, अब उसके अंदर let us say you obstruct a police officer जा रहा है पीछे, चोर के पीछे दौड़ते हुए जा रहा है उसको पकड़ने या अपनी इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रहा है, और आप बीच में आके you give him a bear hug, मैं बता दूं तेरे को, and then you are like, अरे मैंने तो कोई cognizable offense किया ही नहीं, तुम मेरे को कैसे उठा सकते? 41(1) E. Section 41, subsection 1, clause E. It's as simple as that. अब यहाँ पे cognizable, non-cognizable नहीं हो रहा, यहाँ पे सीधा साधा है, obstruct कीजिए, सीधा अंदर जाइए, कोई पूछताछ नहीं हो रही. अच्छा जी, if you are a deserter of the armed forces of the union, आप छोड़ छाड़ के आर्मी भाग गए, और तब क्या पुलिस वाले आपको अरेस्ट कर सकते हैं? Without an order of magistrate and without a warrant. Okay. फिर से हम आ रहे हैं RCCI RS पे. वो क्या क्या था? Reasonable complaint, credible information, reasonable suspicion. When any act has been committed out of India, basically जो punishable यहाँ पर है, तो पुलिस वाले, पुलिस जो एयरपोर्ट से जो पुलिस उठा लेती है, that's here. तो आप जैसे फ्लाइट से आए और हमें पता है कि ये आदमी बाहर मर्डर कर आया है, और हमारे पास क्रेडिबल इन्फॉर्मेशन है, और आप वहां पहुंचे और सामने वाला CRPC बैराक लेके खड़ा हो गया, अरे बड़ी look, I haven't committed any cognizable or non-cognizable offenses or cognizable offenses, you can't arrest me without a पुलिस वाले गए. Read 41 section 1 sub clause G. Okay, 41 subsection 1 clause G, और आप भी पढ़ेंगे. That's the core crux of it. Okay, then we are in clause H. Released convict, if it violates 356, then subsection 5. 356 subsection 5, एक बारी बैराक से सिर्फ एक बार हल्की सी नजर मारेंगे. It relates to the notification of residence of released convicts. तो मान लेते हैं that you've been released and then you're changing your residence if the state government requires you, and then you violate that, उठाया जा सकता है आपको without a warrant. Okay, then we go to I. Now this is crucial. So another term, another concept of law that is now needs to be introduced, that is requisition. What is requisition? Requisition is done by one police officer to the other कि जी मैं request दे रहा हूँ उस बंदे को जाके arrest कर लो. Right? So it's a requisition. It can be either written or oral. That's the prelims ka question. By one police officer who is basically, now it has to specify which person are we talking about and which offense. But is requisition की liability किसके सिर पर है कि requisition बिल्कुल ठीक है. The police officer who is issuing the requisition, मान लेते, let's say that you are a police officer and I am a police officer, and let's say that I am in let's say Ashok Vihar, and you are in somewhere, let's say GK. That's two very far-flung areas of Delhi, and I request you, police officer, as a police officer, I oral में मैं बोल सकता हूँ ना आपको कि arrest, let us say specifically Mr. Kapoor, and for an offense, I'll have to specify an offense. Let's give him culpable homicide. Okay, just hypothetical discussion. So tomorrow, when this requisition will be scrutinized, who is actually liable? वो जो सामने वाला जिसको मैंने, like I told you, कि go ahead and arrest that guy, or will I be questioned on it? Me, not you. Okay. So the police officer was issued a requisition, and that's it. 41 subsection 1, right? Section 41 subsection 1. These are the conditions. A, B, and BA we did in the previous lecture. Now C to I, nothing much more to explain here. All very, very crucial from the point of view of prelims. Now we go to 41 की थोड़ी सी और detail हल्की सी करनी है, and then we enter into 42, 43, 44 in the coming lectures, of course. ठीक है जी. Hopefully समझ में आ रहा है. कुछ नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो discussion board का इस्तेमाल करें. And I believe that we are going now at a very steady pace. मुझे लगता है कि that जो मैं समझाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, hopefully it is, my message is going across. If it isn't, well, then let me know. Let's do something about it. All right, take care, bye.